So next one is median missing frequency question. Okay, so this missing frequency questions are there in mean and mode and median. 3 cases it is there. So this is median missing frequency. See the question. If the median of this distribution is 14.4, median is given 14.4. Find x and y. If sum of all the frequencies is 20. Sum of all the frequencies is 20. So class is given, frequency is given. It is median missing frequency. So you have to prepare the next column. It is called less than CF. Okay. So for finding less than CF, first one we have to write as it is. Next going on adding. 4 plus x we can't write 4x, it is 4 plus x only. Next 4 plus x plus 5 is 9 plus x. 9 plus x plus y is 9 plus x plus y. 9 plus x plus y plus 1 is 10 plus x plus y. Okay, so first we have to prepare the less than CF column. So after preparing less than CF, for finding two variables x and y, we required two equations.
ഫോൺ ആക്കിയില്ല, ഫോൺ കിട്ടില്ല. ഇതായിരുന്നു
So for finding x and y two variables, we want two equations. The first equation we will get from the sum of all the frequencies, same type of mean. First equation we will get from the sum of all the frequencies. See, sum of all the frequencies is given as 20, and here we got the last step is 10 plus x plus y. 10 plus x plus y. Okay, so how to do? 10 plus x plus y is equal to 20. So x plus y, 20 minus 10, that is x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. X plus y 10. And second equation we will get from the median formula. So before going to the median formula, you have to find the median class. So for that, consider median. What is median? It is given 14.4. Now, in here, in missing frequency question, median class is the class in which the median falls. Okay. In missing frequency question, median class is the class in which the median falls. So median is 14.4. It is lying in between 12 to 18. 12 to 18. Okay now? So you have to write median class is 12 to 18. So L is equal to 12. So now just you round off. Then CF just before, that is 4 plus x. F 5. H 6. Now write the formula. What is the formula? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H by F. So what is median? 14.4 is equal to L is equal to 12 plus n by 2. What is n by 2? 20 by 2. Okay, that also you write. N by 2 is 20 by 2, 10. So 10 minus CF is 4 plus x that you put in bracket compulsory divided by 5 into 6. Okay. So next step is take this 12 to the left side. 14.4 minus 12. 14.4 minus 12 is equal to this one minus, then you put a bracket, so open bracket, 10 minus 4 minus x, then 6 divided by 5. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 minus x by 5 into 6, so we are getting, I am writing here, so what we are getting, 2.4 you are getting, 2.4 into 5, I am cross multiplying, is equal to this one 6 minus x. Okay, 6 minus x into 6. We can open bracket. 2.4 into 5 is how much? 12. Okay, 2.4 into 5 we are getting 12. So 12 is equal to 6 into 6, 36 minus 6x. So minus 6x will come this side, 12 will go other side. 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. So 6x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 24 by 6, 4. So x you got 4. That x substitute in 1. So if you substitute in 1, we will get 4 plus y is equal to 10 implies y is equal to 6. So the missing frequencies are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. Okay now? So what to do? Here two missing frequencies are there. So for getting two variable, we want two equations. First equation always we will get from the sum of all the frequencies, and the second equation we will get from the median. Second equation we will get from the median. So median formula. But here median class is the class in which the median falls. Here the median is 14.4. It is coming in between 12 to 18. So we have to consider the median class as this one.